Hello guys, hello guys. So today I'm using this phone for install grandfather clock. So this is the best old clock apps for my phone. Okay, so open and then so this is the best old clock apps. So don't allow. So if you want. Here we go. So this is the old clock in the phone. So how to set up. So you can press the setting button and then you can set the sound like cat, like so meow, so it will become a cuckoo clock. So the cat old clock sound meow. So let's set into the old clock like grandfather clock. Okay, so turn off the chime. So you can choose the old clock like cat. So it's like cat and anything. So okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.